Okay, so in this really quick video today, we're going to go over how to quickly and easily copy your follow-up messages that are in one Aweber list to a different Aweber list. And actually, you can do each message in probably under a minute, maybe a minute and a half. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is you actually want to have two different browsers open. And you go into your Aweber account, you log in Firefox and in Chrome. Or it would probably work to use, two different browsers like Firefox and Safari or something like that. So let's log in Chrome, log into your Aweber account and do the same thing in Firefox. Okay, and we're going to go to the list that we're copying the messages to. So in my Chrome browser, I'm going to go to the list that I'm copying the messages to. I'm going to go to the follow-up area. And then in Firefox, I'm going to be copying the messages from the other list. So we're going to go to the follow-up. So I've got my list with the messages here that I'm copying over. And I'm going to go into message number 14, which is what I'm up to. And in Chrome, I'm going to go to the previous follow-up editor because I like dropping in the HTML code in there. Now I'm going to copy and paste the subject, select all of the HTML message, go in here, delete what's already in there, paste it in. Do the same thing for the plain text version down here, select all, come over here, paste it in, check how many days this is supposed to be sent. Okay, 1 day after the previous message, change that. Go ahead and save the message. And it might have what it calls invalid links, although they almost always do work, so you have to check that box and save the message. And waiting for it to load. Message number 14 is done. I'll do one more here so you get the idea. Go back to messages. We're already in the messages over here in Chrome. I'm going to go, again, it keeps taking me to the new follow-up editor. You just click that link to go to the previous follow-up editor. We're going to do number 15, open message number 15. Copy and paste the subject. Copy and paste the HTML version of the message, bring it over, delete what's already there, paste it in, do the same thing for the plain text. Change the interval to the interval that we want, which is 1 day. Save the message. Looks like there aren't any invalid links in this message. Good, it's done. That invalid link, I'm not even sure why that message shows up because the links are valid. For some reason, Aweber doesn't recognize them as being valid. So that's it. That's how you copy and paste messages from one list to another. If you want to, keep some messages the same between two different campaigns, but you don't want to, type the messages yourself each time, that's a really quick way to save some time in doing it. Hope that was helpful, and I will see you again soon.